Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you the IFNA function. How does it work with Excel? So first thing is I'm gonna use the index and match function to find the ID number and the name of the person here on the second column, or the employee name. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the equal sign, and then the index function. So I'm gonna include the index function, and then open parenthesis, and then the location of the employee, which is on B3 to B11, and that's the location of the, or the range of the employee's name. And the next thing is I'm gonna use the match function for me to be able to find the ID and the name of the person. So that would be match, and then open parenthesis, and the range, or the cell location where I'm gonna get the ID, in order for me to be able to see the corresponding name of the person. And that would be on C3. This is where I'm gonna, in C3, where I'm gonna put the ID number. So the location would be here, C3, and then I'm gonna put a comma, and then next is the range of the ID number, which is on A3 to A11, right here. And then I'm gonna include 0 for exact match, and then double closing parenthesis, then enter. So right now it is displaying error, or NA error. So because there's no ID indicated here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 10 ID number. Now it displays mark. Let's say I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put 1012, for example. Now it displays Helen. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna put number which does not belong to the list of ID. Let's say, for example, 900. Enter. Now it shows NA, or error. What I'm gonna do this time around, I'm gonna infuse, or I'm gonna include the IFNA function for me to be able to replace the error of some meaningful text. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start again, but I'm gonna start with uh, IFNA function. So IFNA, then open parenthesis. Then now I will include the index match index function, and again open parenthesis, then the location of the person from B3 to B11. Okay, and then the I'm gonna put comma, and then the match function. Okay, and open parenthesis, and the location where I'm gonna get the ID number, which I suppose I'm gonna put it here in C5. So I'm gonna C5, and then comma, then the range where I will get the ID number. So it's gonna be here in A3 to A11. Okay, got it. Then again, I'm gonna put 0 for exact match. Then double closing parenthesis, then comma, because I'm gonna include now a text where is more where it make more sense. Okay, so I'm gonna include quotation mark. Then the text would be no match. Okay, no match. And then quotation mark again, then close parenthesis, then enter. Okay, no match because there's still no ID here. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna put let's say number ID 10, 11, 10, 15, enter. Then 10, 15 belongs to Brent. Okay, ID number 10, 18. So that belongs to Peter. Okay, let's say, okay, I say I'm gonna put 10, 20 ID number, then no match. Okay, okay, that would be more making sense using no match rather than displaying an error. So that is the function or the purpose of the if in a function. I hope you like this presentation and thank you for watching and see you next time.